Daily English sentences. Daily English sentences. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Good morning. Good morning. See you later. See you later. Where are we meeting? Where are we meeting? I like your shoes. I like your shoes.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Thanks, I appreciate it. How are you? How are you?
How's it going? How's it going? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Good night. Good night. Where can I find the bathroom? Where can I find the bathroom?
Let's get a coffee sometime. Let's get a coffee sometime.
I know a good place nearby. I know a good place nearby. I don't understand this. Can you please explain it? I don't understand this. Can you please explain it? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that?
Are there any rules I should know about? Are there any rules I should know about?
Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Believe me. Believe me. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Do you mean that? Do you mean that?
How long are you staying? How long are you staying? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.